Have you seen the windows at the White House lately?
Oh, I don't believe I have.
Well, they're cleaner and shinier than they have ever been.
Really? Okay.
Yes, I had them cleaned by Kennedy Brothers Window Cleaning while they were here in DC.
Oh, where is it that they are located then?
They are located in San Diego, California. Carlsbad to be exact.
So what set them apart from other window cleaners for you?
Well, they were professional, clean-cut, enthusiastic, and even almost too much of perfectionists with their attention to detail. I recommend calling them at 7604708816.
Well then I will have to start a maintenance program on my property in Rancho Santa Fe. Thank you for bringing this to my attention, Mr. President.